So this is our email that we received from system.io. So here you can see we have removed our system.io affiliate badge. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your system.io affiliate badge from your email footer. So doing it very easy. First of all, you just have to have your system.io any of the premium plan. Then what you need to do, you just need to come over here, click your settings, and then you need to click on emails. Then here you can see on the very bottom, you can see here email footer. Here you just need to display, it will tick mark on your screen, on your dashboard. So just make it turn off, display my affiliate link at the end of each email I send. Just untick this one, and then just here if you don't have your sender email address, then just add your sender email address, then just click save, and then from your emails the affiliate badge will be removed. So yes, that's it. That's very simple and easy. So that's it for this particular video. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.